Hello and welcome to our Family Information Nights for the school year 2021-2022. Introducing to you one of our courses at SVCTE known as Auto Body Repair. We're happy to introduce to you Mr. Bob McTaggart. Mr. McTaggart is our instructor for both the AM program at SVCTE as well as the PM program with Silicon Valley Adult Ed. Here's his contact information if you have further questions. This is Mr. Bob McTaggart. This is Mr. Bob McTaggart's students. I'll just run through here, showing you a number of the projects that the students are working on hands-on in the shop. Using torches, grinders, sanding blocks, mixing chemicals, inspecting. Just a lot of hands-on work in this shop. We do like to let folks know that every year we have an annual car show. So if you have a custom or classic car that you would like to enter into our SVCTE car show, that would be fabulous because the proceeds go to support our students who are enrolled in Skills USA. The car show will be Friday, May 6th, 2022 at 5 p.m. Spectators are free, but if you would like to participate with a car entry, the fee is $20. The organizer is our teacher, Mr. Bob McTaggart. You can see here his email below, mtaggart@metroed.net. And if you do have a car that you would like to enter into the show, the $20 is tax-deductible donation, and we will provide you with a receipt. For students who continue on with the regional and state competitions, you can see here under Skills USA that there are two levels of competition. One is for collision damage appraisal, which requires a demonstration in front of a team of judges. The standards used are ASE for Automotive Service Excellence as well as NATEF, the National Technicians Education Foundation. The other competition is known as Collision Repair Technology. This here, contestants demonstrate their ability to perform jobs and skills based on the task that is listed and outlined by the NATEF and ASE foundations. The completion includes a series of workstations to assess skills in the following areas: metal straightening, attachment methods, plastic repair, and structural analysis. The overall appearance of the finished product, speed, and proper safety practices are judged. There are written tests on estimating, structural analysis, and an ASE exam. The students fill out a job application and they bring their resume and they go through a mock interview. Students spend a lot of time preparing for the Skills USA competitions. We have two advisors. Gina Fleming is our dental assisting instructor, as well as Nathan Chooks, the auto body refinishing instructor. In the month of February, we usually have the regionals in Northern California. Oftentimes, SVCTE has been the center for those regionals. If students place into metal, then they get to continue on to state. The state competition will be held in Ontario, April 21st through the 24th. So good luck, students, in your preparations. Here's more information about the SVAE class that Mr. McTaggart offers. This is called Auto Body Repair. He teaches it every Tuesday night from 6 to 9 p.m., and the dates are from August 11th through December 14th, and the fee for this class is $295. Mr. McTaggart uses an online course management portal through Canvas. You can see here what the main page of his course shell looks like. Inside the curriculum, Mr. McTaggart makes sure that he uses industry-recognized certifications. This is so that students can build out their career portfolios. You can see here a list of the certifications that students can earn through the SP2 program. Students are also covering safety standards that are offered through NIOSH as well as OSHA. Upon completion of the class, students will earn a letter of competency. You can see here that there are 10 major areas that students will need to express their competency level. Students will be required to be tested on outer body panel repair, replacement, and adjustments, metal straightening and body filling, glass and hardware, metal welding and cutting, plastic repair, estimating, vehicle construction and parts identification, customer relations and sales skills, as well as career readiness skills. Upon completion of the course, Mr. McTaggart will be happy to sign your letter of competency. Mr. McTaggart prepares students for other industry-based exams through ASE. For example, you can see here one of the questions. If Technician A uses body filler over rust holes in the body panels, but Technician B welds in a repair panel after cutting out the rust damage, who has done it correctly? For students who are interested in exploring all the details that you will be learning inside the ASE entry-level tests, then please go ahead and replay this video. But you can see here that the major components covered will be frame inspection and repair, unibody and unitized structure inspection, measurement, and repair, stationary glass, metal welding, cutting, and jointing, preparation, outer body panel repair, replacement, and adjustments, metal finishing and body filling, movable glass and hardware, restraint systems, surface preparation. We encourage students to think about joining the California Community College system to further their education. For example, we like to show students some nearby programs that offer an Associate of Science degree in auto body or auto paint. You can see here that the nearest one to San Jose is located at the City College of San Francisco, but there are others like in Sacramento, Stockton, Modesto, etc. For further information about how you can go to community college for free, please continue watching the other videos located at the bottom of this page called Financial Aid, and we'd be happy to assist you further. We also like to let students know that there are local apprenticeship opportunities. This is where you can go straight into the work field, working hands-on, side by side with a journeyman, a mentor, and you can actually earn money while you're learning. So we like to list here a number of local opportunities. For example, the Santa Clara County Automotive Repair Trades, known as the JA and the EAC, for auto body and fender repair. Here are further information. Students will be able to earn 50% of your journeyman wage. You must be 18 and have your high school diploma. There will be a written test as well as physical requirements, and you'll need to have your valid photo ID. But if you're interested, you can sign up with the coordinator, Mr. Tim Cooper. He takes applications on a continuous basis. Or you can also think about managing your own body shop. If you're ever interested in starting your own small business, you can actually look into small business loans and as well as mentorship opportunities to create a business plan. There are many volunteers who are willing to step up and help you get started. Please look at the SCORE program with Silicon Valley. They're here to help. If you're interested in going straight to the workforce, here's some other ideas. I looked these up through Glassdoor. There are many jobs that are associated with your career pathways. For example, a claims adjuster or an insurance advisor. Or students can apply directly to a shop. What I did here is simply used Google Maps and I typed in Santa Clara Body Shops. Look at how many there are. This is a very high demand career field. Well, students, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. We are definitely here to support you no matter what your plans are. If you do have specific questions and need further information, please do see your instructor, Mr. Bob McTaggart, or you can come up to the counseling department and see one of us. Best wishes, everyone, and have a great evening. Bye.